Morning, hope you guys are doing well. Had a little bit of a problem with my vlog camera, so now I have to use this big boy. It's kind of obsolete now, so I actually bought it at the wrong time. I should have bought it a long time ago. I might just go ahead and just suck it up and get the camera that everybody's been using, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which would make it think it's a lot easier. It'd be a lot smaller than this huge camera that I'm holding right now. I'm gonna go on for a run this morning. I have to make sure that I meal plan today. So this week, back on the meal plan, I'm gonna make sure that I get some protein in this week and just try to stay locked in. I'll go for a run, kind of clear my mind a little bit. Hour or so before grocery store opens. So I wanna run to the grocery store early, but also be very just frugal with the food that I get from there. Where are my shoes at? So we're gonna go for probably 3 miles or so. I don't have my watch on me today. I'm gonna run watch free. I'm gonna run headphone free. I like doing this because it allows me to just, stay in my head. So this will be kind of like my meditation time. So let's get it in. All right. So just finished my run. Good run. I was saying to myself when I was running, I was, just in my head, just trying to think and run and move. I was thinking about just what I'm going through right now, and I'm at the cusp of a lot of things. I'm right there, and they just haven't paid out yet, right? And so I was running and I was like, man, you're almost there, or it's right there. You just gotta work for it. And I just kept saying that over and over again. You're almost there. You're right there. You just gotta work for it. I'm gonna try to take that mindset throughout the week. The finish line is right there. All you gotta do is keep working, and you'll get it. That's why I like those runs like that, because it just helps me focusing on what I need to do. All right, so usually throughout the week we don't do any abs and stuff. So my workout partners don't want to do abs, mostly because the workout that we do is kind of intense, and we're in there for an hour and a half, and after that, you're kind of done. Today, I'm gonna do a little bit of legs, and then I'm gonna do some abs. I saw this one workout. I wanna try it. I think I need some weights. All right. Jeez. That sun is starting to go crazy. I'm typically gonna use days like this. I mean, it's a Sunday. I'm gonna use days like this for mobility and do some more jumping type workouts for mobility. I want to increase my vertical too. It's low impact, but fairly intense. It's heat. I'm sweating like crazy. Okay, so today is Father's Day, and I just received these from my wife. Very thick sole shoes. This has become a common theme here with a lot of the shoes lately. My wife got me them in black, Bondi 8s, everyday running shoe. Now I look down at them, there's a ton of compression. I like them though, especially for everyday running. Headed to the store. I want to get some breakfast today. I don't want to be out and about with a whole bunch of people in some restaurant trying to celebrate. All right, all done shopping. Damage today was $130. I had some other items that I wanted to get today for Father's Day to make sure that I just wanted to have some to eat. So I'm cooking some jerk chicken today. I paid for a little bit more than what I would normally pay for. So $130 was the damage though. And the real test is trying to maintain the attitude of not eating out throughout the rest of the week. So I don't want to buy any more food for the rest of the week. So for the next 7 days, six days or so, I want to keep that money in my pocket. So managing my money has to do with me also managing my desires to eat out and splurge on food. So this is basically everything that I would eat. People.
Let's just go to the haunted one. Why the haunted? Because it has more fish and turtles. No, it does not. Dad, can you go get my one? No, but you can get it. I don't know how to do that. He's going to Florida.
Catch some fish today. I don't know if y'all can't even see us.
Devin always keep digging, so I saw a lot of worms. And I was like, I found a worm.
There's no worms?
There's no worms. Yep. JJ again. Yep. JJ again. Well, now you go, Daddy.
Hey, what you got on your line? A Senko. Gotta fix Carter's. Got a bite a second ago. See what happens. What you got, Carter?
Hold on.
Nice.
Hold on more firm.
Hold on. Nova wants to hold him too.